Hello there, this is Fim Anugrah speaking. In this magnificent moment, I want to deliver one of the Sundanese literatures, that is, Dongeng Sasakala, or Ancient Fairy Tale. Through this video, I hope anyone who has interest in Sunda and its local colors can improve the reading of our Aksara Sunda, as what you have learned in the previous video. Moreover, the aim of this video also brings you to know well Sunda cultures despite other cultures in all around the world. Just to be noticed that the material of the reading was taken from the book entitled Dongeng Sasakala, written by Ki Umbara by a slight modification. The title of this Dongeng Sasakala is Gagak Jadi Hidung. In English, it is translated into How a Crow Becomes Black. Here we go. Zaman baheula aya oray sanca keur nabu balong. Sungutna ngegel kana tangkal huni, buntutna dibelitkeun kana pancung tambakan. Awakna malang dina balong, tuluy diayunkeun. Geblok, geblok we caina ditawu, cara nawu ku gobang panjang. Telila balong teh geus rek saat, laukna ting kocopok rea nakar. Sawareh mah ting golepak dinu saat. Jol gagak datang kadinya. Harita mah gagak teh buluna bodas ngeplak. Ujug-ujug corok-cok bae laukna teh dipacokan, nepi ka rek beak anu baradagna mah. Ku oray sanca katenjoeun gagak malingan lauk, geuwat digenggereuhkeun. Tapi gagak teh jongjon bae, malah beuki ngahajakeun. Atuh oray teh ngambek, sebrut bae di udag. Gagak teh hiber, ku oray haben diobrot. Gagak teh bingung da dibeberik bae, sieun katewak. Kabeneran manggih nu keur neuleum, gebrus bae gagak teh nyelupkeun maneh kana jero pijanan. Atuh ari muncul deui teh geus lestreng. Barang jol oray sanca panglingeun, da jadi hidung lestreng. Cek oray sanca, makhluk hideung, sampean henteu manggih gagak ka dieu? Gagak teh sorana digedekeun, ngomongna oge basa Betawi, da sieun katara. Ga, ga. Ti harita gagak teh buluna jadi hideung lestreng, jeung disadana gak, gak. Sakitu materi maca dongeng sasakala. Mugia tiasa tepang di lain waktos. Hatur nuhun, tamat.